Good afternoon, children. We will study now about Second Anglo-Maratha War. Second Anglo Second Anglo-Maratha War. Second Anglo-Maratha War, where we have to we are studying 1803 period to 1805 period was the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War. Then what is about First Anglo-Maratha War we studied. About First Anglo-Maratha War we really studied. Now we have learned about Second Anglo-Maratha War. Yashwant Rao was there. Yashwant Rao was there. Yashwant Rao. Yashwant Rao was a member of Holkar family. Holkar. Yashwant Rao. Yashwant Rao was a member of Holkar family. He was a member of Holkar family. Yashwant Rao. Then what happened? Daulat Rao was there. Daulat Rao. Daulat Rao was there. Daulat Rao. Daulat Rao was also a prominent member of Maratha people. He was a member of Scindia family. This is the beginning of, or this was the beginning of Second Anglo-Maratha War. This was the beginning of Second Anglo-Maratha War. This was the beginning. Both Daulat Rao and Yashwant Rao, what did they do? Both Daulat Rao and Yashwant Rao, they were from two important or powerful families. Their idea was to control whom? Their idea was to control whom? Their idea was to control Peshwa. What is the meaning of Peshwa? I have told you. What is the meaning of Peshwa? Peshwa means Prime Minister. Peshwa. So, Daulat Rao and Yashwant Rao, what did they do? Daulat Rao and Yashwant Rao decided to control Peshwa. This really resulted in the Second Anglo-Maratha War. What is the meaning of the word Anglo? I had told you. Anglo. What is meant by Anglo? Anglo means English. Maratha means with the Maratha people. War that took place between Maratha people and English people. That is known as Anglo-Maratha War. Anglo-Maratha War. We are learning about Second Anglo-Maratha War. What is the meaning of this one? The war that took place between Maratha people and English people are known as Anglo-Maratha War. Anglo-Maratha War. Then what happened? Anglo-Maratha War was there in between 1803 and 1805 period. This was the period of Anglo-Maratha War. During this time, Yashwant Rao was there. Yashwant Rao. Yashwant Rao was a member of Holkar family. Daulat Rao was a member of Scindia family. Both of them were planning to control Peshwa of Marathas. Both of them tried hard to control the Peshwa. Who was the Peshwa during this time? Now I will study. Or who was the Peshwa of Marathas during this time? I will tell you. What is the meaning of Peshwa? That we have to know. What is meant by Peshwa? Peshwa means Prime Minister. Prime Minister. So, Daulat Rao and Yashwanta Rao. What did we do? Daulat Rao and Yashwanta Rao. Daulat Rao and Yashwanta Rao tried to control the Peshwa. That was the reason for second Anglo-Maratha War. See, during this time, Holkar was there. Holkar. He started war against Yashwant Rao and Peshwa. Holkar declared war against Yashwanta Rao and Peshwa. Then what happened? During this time, Peshwa understood that. What he understood? During this time, Peshwa understood that he may flee. What actually happened? Peshwa believed that he may flee. Then what happened? Peshwa approached the British people. Peshwa approached the British people for help. It is quite common. If anybody is attacking us, imagine that. Some people are attacking us. What actually we will do? We will approach other people for help. Or if our neighbor is attacking us, we may approach the police station for help. Then what happened? Peshwa was able to understand that he may fail before the Marathas. He began to think that. What he began to think? He began to think that he may fail before the Maratha leaders. He approached the British people for help. Lord Wellesley was the British Governor General. Lord Wellesley was the British Governor General during this time. Lord Wellesley. Last day I told you about subsidiary alliance system. Last day I told you about that one. Subsidiary alliance system. Then what happened? Lord Wellesley decided to help the British people, decided to help the Peshwa. Treaty of Bassein. Treaty of Bassein happened during this time. Treaty of Bassein. Then what happened? Treaty of Bassein happened during this time. Treaty of Bassein. Then what happened? Wellesley made one agreement with whom? Wellesley made one agreement with whom? Peshwa. Peshwa Bajirao was there. Bajirao. Peshwa Bajirao was there in Maharashtra during this time. Peshwa Bajirao. Peshwa Bajirao and the British people made one agreement, treaty. That treaty was known as Treaty of Bassein. According to Treaty of Bassein, what happened? According to Treaty of Bassein, British people agreed to help whom? British people agreed to help the Peshwa. According to the Treaty of Bassein, British people agreed to help whom? Peshwa. Understand now? Remaining part I will tell you now. Up to here, once more I will tell you. Holkar and Yashwantarao. During this time, what happened? Holkar was there. Holkar attacked Yashwantarao and Peshwa. Then Peshwa was about to fail. Peshwa thought that he may fail. Who thought? Peshwa. Peshwa thought that he may fail. Peshwa began to think like this. Peshwa began to think that he may fail. When he began to think that he may fail, he had a fear in his mind. Peshwa had a fear. Fear means anchika in his mind. Peshwa approached the British people for help. During that time, who was the British Governor General? Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley was waiting for a chance to attack and defeat whom? Maratha people. Yesterday, what I told you, children, yesterday's lesson. In yesterday's lesson, I told you, it was Lord Wellesley who made subsidiary alliance. Lord Wellesley made or created subsidiary alliance. Then what happened? Lord Wellesley was waiting for a chance to attack and defeat whom? To attack and defeat the Maratha people. Then Lord Wellesley and Peshwa Bajirao, they made one agreement. Lord Wellesley and Peshwa Bajirao made one agreement. They made one agreement. According to this agreement, what happened? According to this agreement, Peshwa received help from British people or Wellesley. That agreement was known as Treaty of Bassein or Agreement of Bassein. It was known as Treaty of Bassein or Agreement of Bassein. This much you understood, I think. What is the meaning of Bassein? Bassein means it was the name of an agreement. Bassein. It was the name of an agreement. Between whom this agreement took place? Between whom this agreement took place? Between British people and Peshwa. Between British people and Peshwa, this agreement took place. Treaty of Bassein took place in between British people and Peshwa. Then what was the speciality of this agreement? According to this agreement, British people decided to help whom? Peshwa. This much you understood, I think. This much. See, Maratha chiefs. During this time, what happened? All the Maratha chiefs joined together. Kholkar. Kholkar, Bonsai, Sindhia, Gwalior. These important Maratha people joined together. Why they joined together? Yeah, that we have to think. Why they joined together or why did they join together? That we have to think. Why did they join together? That we have to think. Or that we have to understand. Why did they join together? Why did they join together? That we have to think. Why? Why did they join together? Because Maratha people had one idea. Their idea was that Maratha area should be ruled by them. Their idea was that Maratha area should be ruled by Maratha people only. Now, according to the agreement between British people and Peshwa, what was happening? According to the agreement between British people and Peshwa, the land of Maratha may be ruled by British people. So, all the Maratha people joined together. All the Marathas joined together. Almost all the important Maratha leaders, Maratha chieftains, they joined together. Maratha chief people, they joined together during this particular time. They joined together during this particular time. Then they attacked the British people. They attacked the British people. They attacked the British people. Then what happened? Wellesley was the leader of the British people. All the Maratha people joined together. On another side, Wellesley and Peshwa were there. But in the war, what happened? Britishers won the war. What happened? British people won the war. But one problem happened during this time. One problem. One important job. One big problem was there during this time. Big problem. What was the big problem? That we have to think. One big problem was there. British government told to Wellesley. What they told her? British government told Wellesley that they are not ready to spend more money in the land of India to defeat the Maratha people. That means Lord Wellesley had spent more money to defeat whom? Marathas. So, British government told that in order to defeat Marathas, British government is not ready to spend more money. So, British government called back British government called back whom? British government called back Wellesley from the land of India. With this, what happened? With this, Second Anglo-Maratha War came to an end. Once more, I will tell you children, see, Maratha chieftains, what happened? British people or Wellesley made one agreement with whom? Maratha Peshwa. British people made one agreement with the Maratha Peshwa. What was the name of the agreement? Treaty of Bassein. Treaty of Bassein was the name of the agreement. Treaty of Bassein. Then almost all the Maratha chiefs, rich people, became very angry. All of them joined together now, all of them. All the Maratha people joined together during this time, all the Maratha people. Holkar, Boniface, India, Gwalior, all the Maratha people, Maratha chief, Maratha rich people joined together during this particular time. They joined together. And what happened? They began to attack Peshwa and Wellesley. What is the meaning? What I am telling now, children? In one side, who was there? In one side, who was there actually? In one side, only Peshwa and Lord Wellesley was there. And in another side, who was there? And in another side, all the Maratha leaders were there. Another side. In another side, all the Maratha chiefs, all the Maratha leaders joined together. That was the condition. War started between British people and Maratha chief. Peshwa was supporting British people. In the war, what happened? In the war, British people defeated the combined army of Peshwas. In the war, British people defeated the combined army of Peshwas. But Wellesley spent huge amount of money during this time. Wellesley spent huge amount of money during this particular time to defeat Marathas. So, British government became angry. Britishers. What the Britishers told her? British government told that. What they told her? In order to defeat Marathas, British government is not ready to spend more money. That was the idea of Britishers. Britishers told that. What they told her? Britishers told that in order to defeat Marathas, they are not ready to spend more money. So, British government asked Wellesley to come to the land of Britain. They asked Wellesley to come to the land of Britain. So, Wellesley went back to Britain. With this, Second Anglo-Maratha War came to an end. During the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War, what happened? During the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War, what actually happened? During the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War, British people defeated Marathas, no doubt. Britishers defeated Marathas. Then what happened? But British people spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees to defeat whom? To defeat Maratha people. So, actually what is that? Actually, Second Anglo-Maratha War was a shame to the British people. During the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War, they defeated the British people. But what happened? It was a shame for British people. See, dear children, now we have to study about Third Anglo-Maratha War. Third Anglo-Maratha War. We have to study about Third Anglo-Maratha War. 1817, the period of Third Anglo-Maratha War was 1817 to 1818. Third Anglo-Maratha War continued for a period of 1 year only. 1 year only it happened. 1 year only it happened. Even though during the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War, British people had helped Peshwa. Peshwa Bajirao was unhappy because of the unnecessary influence of or interference of British people. British people were unnecessarily interfering in the affairs of Peshwa. So, Peshwa was waiting for a chance to defeat him. Peshwa was waiting for a chance to defeat the British people. In Pune is in Maharashtra. One British residency was there. One British residency was there in Pune. What I told, even though during the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War, British people had helped Peshwa. Peshwa was unhappy. Peshwa was unhappy over the influence of British people over them. Peshwa was unhappy over the influence of British people over them. So, Peshwa attacked British residency in Pune and he put fire on the building there. Peshwa destroyed the building of which one? Of British people in Pune. Appa Sahib was there. Appa Sahib was there in Nagpur area, Nagpur. Appa Sahib also conducted war against the British people. And Malhar Rao, Malhar Rao also conducted revolt against the British people. Both of them were angry with the British people, but Britishers destroyed Appa Sahib and Malhar Rao. That means during this particular time, what happened? During this particular time, what actually happened? British people were very powerful, even than the Maratha people. They were more powerful than the Maratha people. They were more powerful than the Maratha people. That was the condition. They were more powerful than the Maratha people. That was the reality. That was the real condition. Then they defeated Peshwa also. Who defeated? British people defeated Peshwa also. Peshwa. They removed Peshwa from the post. Pratap Singha was there. They defeated Peshwa from the post. And Pratap Singha was there. He was appointed as a leader of Satara. He was a minor, Pratap Singha. He was appointed as a leader of ruler of Satara. So what happened? At the end of Third Anglo-Maratha War, English people succeeded in defeating the Maratha people really or in the true sense. Third Anglo-Maratha War. Third Anglo-Maratha War, that we have to think. About Third Anglo-Maratha War, that we have to think. Third Anglo-Maratha War. Third Anglo-Maratha War started in the year 1817 and it ended in the year 1818. During the time of Second Anglo-Maratha War, British people had helped Peshwa, but always British people were interfering in the affairs of Peshwa. So, Peshwa was waiting for a chance. For what purpose? Peshwa was waiting for a chance to defeat the British people. So, one day, Peshwa attacked British residency in Pune. Peshwa attacked British residency in Pune and he put fire for the building, residency. The residency was made by British people. So, British people became really angry. They decided to teach Peshwa a lesson forever. Appa Sahib was there during Appa Sahib. Appa Sahib was there during this particular time. Appa Sahib. Appa Sahib was there during this particular time. Appa Sahib. Then what happened? Appa Sahib was from Nagpur area. He was a supporter of Peshwa. Appa Sahib attacked British people, but he failed. Malhar Rao was another person who supported Peshwa. Malhar Rao also failed before British people. Then British people attacked and defeated Peshwa Bajirao II. At the end of Third Anglo-Maratha War, Peshwa really failed. Then Britishers removed Peshwa from the post. They removed Bajirao from the post of Peshwa. A minor person, boy was there, Pratap Singha. He was appointed as the ruler of Satara area. So, at the end of which one? At the end of Third Anglo-Maratha War, Maratha areas came under the custody of British people. Dear children, I think you are able to follow today's video. Thank you. You turn on your mic. We will have a discussion on the topic. You turn on your mic.